Welcome to my channel. Mutton casserole. Let's make delicious mutton in this manner. First I will add the mutton in the pressure cooker and add some spices. Cumin, dry coriander, curry leaves and water added. Cut tomato, garlic, ginger, onion into small pieces and grind it well and add green chilies. Grind it well. Mutton is boiled in standing spices. Now take a pan, add oil in it and prepare the gravy. We will add the paste we prepared into it. Cook it well and add yogurt to it. Now add turmeric, salt and black pepper to it and cook it well. Now add the mutton. Now add ground spices to it, add green coriander. Ready for eat delicious mutton salon. Thanks for watching.